Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today I'll be showing you how to hide your friends on Facebook. And now let's dive right in. Now, to hide friends on Facebook, first open up a Facebook app on your phone and make sure to be logged into your account on which you want to hide your friends. And after opening your Facebook app, at the top right corner of the screen you can see the three line icon with the small profile picture just below the messenger icon. Tap on it, and over here tap on settings at the top right corner of the screen and scroll down from over here until you can find the audience and visibility. And under audience and visibility there is the how people find and contact you. Tap over there, and over here guys, the second option you can see where it says who can see your friends list. Tap over on the drop down arrow at the right side of that question where it is, and here you can see if you want to hide your friends from everybody, just tap on the only me as I have done, and your friend list will be hidden from everybody except you. But if you want to show some of your friends your friends list, then you can try out the option friends except and specific friends. Or if you want to show the friend list to your friends, you can tap on friends, but to hide it completely tap on the only me button over here and your friend list will be hidden from everybody. And there guys, this is how you hide your friend list, and there guys, this is how you hide your friend list on Facebook. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.